Hello students, our today's program is write a program in Python to input temperature in Celsius and convert into Kelvin. The formula used for conversion is K equal to C plus 273. So if we add 273 in Celsius, then the temperature will be converted into Kelvin. Now I am going to make this program in Python. C equal to int input, enter temperature in Celsius. K equal to C plus 273. Print the temperature in Kelvin is comma K. Now click on option file and choose option save as and save your program with any name. Now click on option run and choose option run module. The program is asking to enter temperature in Celsius. If we enter 27, then the program will print the temperature in Kelvin is 300. So if we add 273 in Celsius, then temperature will be converted into Kelvin. I hope that you understand the concept how to convert temperature from Celsius to Kelvin. I hope you understand this program very well. Thank you. Have a nice day.